Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Mavic 3 Cine Premium is probably one of the most advanced and versatile filmmaking drones on the market, boasting an impressive 5.1K video recording capability, a professional Hasselblad camera, and a plethora of intelligent flight modes that will take your aerial cinematography to the next level, whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out in the world of aerial photography. Number 5. DJI Mavic 3 Classic, DJI RC. Experience the ultimate in aerial photography with this drone. It's packed with features to make your shots stunning and easy to capture. It boasts a professional-grade 4.3 CMOS sensor from Hasselblad. This ensures exceptional image quality and detail in every shot. This drone complies with all FAA regulations. Fly with confidence knowing you're meeting all legal requirements. Enjoy up to 46 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Capture more footage without constantly worrying about battery life. With advanced obstacle avoidance, it safely navigates complex environments. Fly with confidence, knowing it will avoid obstacles. Maintain a crystal clear 1080p video feed from up to 15 kilometers away. Expand your shooting possibilities with a stable signal. It features an intelligent return-to-home function. This ensures a safe and efficient return to your starting point. It comes with the DJI RC remote controller, featuring a built-in 5.5-inch HD screen. Enjoy crisp viewing, even in bright sunlight. What we like. It boasts an amazing Hasselblad camera for stunning image quality. Its long flight time lets you capture more without interruption. If you prioritize safety and image quality, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Build quality, sturdiness, and durability in all sorts of weather is unmatched. The Mavic 3 Pro Cine doesn't just capture moments, it immortalizes them in breathtaking clarity. The image quality is nothing short of spectacular, making every frame worthy of the big screen. The Hasselblad camera, with its impeccable resolution and color accuracy, ensures that every shot is a masterpiece. And let's not forget the impressive transmission range, allowing for expansive exploration without compromise. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine. Get ready to experience the ultimate in aerial filmmaking. This drone is packed with features that will take your creativity to new heights. It boasts a Hasselblad main camera with a 4.3 CMOS sensor. Capture stunning 20MP RAW photos with an incredible 12.8 stops of dynamic range. It complies with FAA remote ID rules, ensuring safe and legal operation. Check the compliance document for details. Fly with confidence thanks to 8 vision sensors and APAS 5.0. It senses obstacles in every direction for safe and worry-free flights. Enjoy an impressive 43-minute maximum flight time. Spend more time creating and less time worrying about battery life. Experience a stable video feed from up to 15 kilometers away with DJI O3 Plus transmission technology. Maintain a crystal clear view of your subject. This drone supports Apple ProRes 422HQ, 422, and 422 LT encoding. It provides professional quality video straight out of the camera. It features 3 cameras and a massive 1 TB of internal storage. Capture and store all your footage without limitations. It comes with the DJI RC Pro controller and 3 intelligent flight batteries. Plus, you'll receive ND filters and more. The latest firmware update includes Vision Assist for enhanced safety and improved color modes for the telephoto camera, expanding your post-processing options. What we like. This drone features a versatile triple camera system for diverse shooting options. It supports ProRes for professional-grade video editing. If you're a professional videographer needing high-quality footage and ample storage, this is your ideal drone. What people say. Build quality, sturdiness, and durability in all sorts of weather is unmatched. The Mavic 3 Pro Cine doesn't just capture moments, it immortalizes them in breathtaking clarity. The image quality is nothing short of spectacular, making every frame worthy of the big screen. The Hasselblad camera, with its impeccable resolution and color accuracy, ensures that every shot is a masterpiece. And let's not forget the impressive transmission range, allowing for expansive exploration without compromise. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Cine Premium Combo. Experience the ultimate in aerial cinematography. It boasts a Hasselblad camera and delivers stunning 5.1K video, ensuring your footage is nothing short of exceptional. Its 4.3 CMOS sensor captures breathtaking detail. Enjoy a 12.8 stop dynamic range, preserving highlights and shadows for professional-level results. Stay airborne for an impressive 46 minutes on a single charge. Capture more footage without worrying about battery life. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing provides peace of mind. Fly with confidence, knowing it will avoid obstacles safely. With a 15 km transmission range, explore further and capture stunning shots from greater distances. The O3 Plus transmission system ensures smooth, stable live feeds. The advanced RTH system ensures a safe and efficient return home. It's optimized for speed and reliability, regardless of the reason for activation. It supports Apple ProRes encoding, providing footage rich in visual information for superior post-processing. Unlock your creative potential. The latest firmware update includes hyperlapse, active track, and master shots, enhancing your aerial shooting experience. Take your footage to the next level. The waypoint flight function allows for precise and repeatable flight paths. Plan your shots with ease and achieve perfect aerial maneuvers. What we like. It offers professional-level ProRes video recording for seamless post-production. Enjoy an extended flight time to capture every moment. If you need professional video capabilities and a long flight time, this is the one for you. What people say. The controller is also super bright and easy to see, even in direct sunlight. Excellent video quality and range. The DJI Mavic 3 Cine Pro is absolutely amazing in every way. The two most important things about this drone are the flying ability of the aircraft and the ultra-high-res images it can capture. It's also easy to use. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Cine Premium Combo. Get ready to experience the thrill of aerial cinematography. This renewed DJI Mavic 3 Cine Premium Combo is packed with features to elevate your filmmaking. It boasts a high-resolution camera and advanced image processing capabilities. Capture stunning visuals with ease. Explore a range of intelligent flight modes. It simplifies complex shots, making professional-level footage accessible to everyone. Enjoy longer flight times, allowing you to capture more breathtaking moments without interruption. It gives you the time to get the perfect shot. The included RC Pro controller provides precise control and an immersive flight experience. It's built for comfort and ease of use. This renewed drone has been thoroughly inspected and tested, ensuring peak performance. It's like new, at a great price. Everything you need is included in this premium combo. Start creating stunning aerial footage right away. What we like. Get a great deal on a reliable drone, perfect for those on a budget. It's a renewed unit, so you'll save money without sacrificing quality. If you're looking for a great value and don't mind a renewed product, this is a smart choice. What people say. The batteries all three, not one single cycle on them. This drone is in excellent and new condition. Product was without blemish, no cycles on the batteries, everything works as designed. The Magic 3 allows for aperture control, so as long as you are close with your ND filter, you can get the shot as you are so far away. A fast f4 will still provide all the depth of field you need. This means you don't miss as often with the wrong ND filter, which is excellent and is the main reason to move from the Air 2s. Next are sensor size and ProRes, which provide excellent low light quality and enough data rate to allow for great edits and color correction. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Classic Drone. Get ready to experience unparalleled aerial photography. This drone is packed with features that will take your footage to the next level. It boasts a professional-grade 4.3 CMOS sensor from Hasselblad. This ensures crisp, stunning image quality. Capture breathtaking 5.1K video. It also records 4K 60 frames per second video using oversampling technology for even smoother results. Enjoy an impressive 46-minute flight time. That's more time in the air to capture all the shots you need. Advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing with APAS 5.0 keeps it safe and stable. It smoothly avoids obstacles, giving you peace of mind. This bundle includes everything you need to get started, from extra batteries and propellers to a convenient carrying case and landing pad. What we like. This bundle offers incredible value with a drone, memory card, and extra accessories. You'll have everything you need to start flying right away. If you want a complete package to get started easily, this is the best option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.